40.
40 ba?
Bumili ako ng ano niya, ng Barbie house, 150, 170.
Kulang na 100 yun.
Barbie house.
Nabili niya.
Jelana, Grandma can cancel your birthday gift. Agsusudot. What you doing? Did you count that one? Thank you. Jelana, let me see. Hello, hello. Jelana, let me see this one. Are you gonna build a castle? Are you not build a castle? Hello, Des. Hello, Bisain Dako. Are you build a castle, anak? Have Grandma touch it. Oh, is that your trick? Galing-galing na. Oh, it's gonna fall, it's gonna fall. Don't. Naglinis daw kayo sa labas? Marami kayong nilinis sa labas? Pwede pa ba? Magtanim? Malamig na.
Tama sa ano. Yung nambumulaklak doon. Yung orange, iba yung nandun.
Oo.
Marami akong nilagay yun.
Pwede pa bang magtanim? Malamig na.
Tama lang.
Oh, wow. That's an open house.
Mabuhay na
Okay. 3 more? Ayan. Hello, MJ. Hello, Des.
Kasi nagpuro siya ng mga
Oh. Titigas na naman. Yeah.
binalisan ko parang
Oh.
tumubo.
Apa yan na ni Maysa? Yung Maysa. Jade, where's Jolene? Oh, really? What happened?
Oh, the flute. And you were.
Oh. Oh, you hurt her feeling, huh? Oh, look what that grandma did.
No. Okay.
I like your shirt. Let me see your shirt. Ang ganda naman nito.
Binili mo ba yan?
Yung sa ano niya, yung ano ba ito? Can I see your shirt, anak? Can you show me, anak? Can I read your shirt? Jelana, can I read your shirt? That's what it says. Your shirt says Alaska 529. This kid has a plan. Oh, class 2037. Sa college niya yan. Oh, nice. Oh. This kid. Oh, can you do this like this? Jelana, can you do your shirt like this? Jelana, I just wanna read it. Ganun eh. Can you show me? Yeah. Dun Yeah, let me read it. Okay, let me read your... Okay, baba. Tayo ka,
Parang nakita yung sulat.
Tayo, stand up. This kid has a plan. Class 2037. Good job. You're going to college, anak.